In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a drop shadow to your text using Adobe Express to help your designs truly stand out from the screen. Adding depth to your typography is a fantastic way to improve readability and give your project a professional, polished finish. To get started, you first need to open your project and select the specific text box on your canvas that you want to modify. Once you have clicked on the text, you should look over at the Properties panel located on the left side of your interface. Within this panel, you will see several options for customizing your content, but the one we are looking for is the tab labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on that to reveal the styling tools. Inside the Effects menu, you will see a toggle switch for shadow. Click that toggle to turn it on, and you will immediately see a default drop shadow appear behind your letters. However, to really make it look perfect, you will want to adjust the specifics. To do this, click on the Shadow Settings icon, which looks like a small set of sliders located right inside the Shadow tab area. This opens up a world of customization options, where you can change the color of the shadow to match your brand assets or pick a contrasting tone for better visibility. You can also play around with the blur strength to make the shadow soft or sharp, as well as adjust the angle and distance to control where the light source seems to be coming from. Moving these sliders allows you to create everything from a subtle lift to a dramatic long shadow effect. Experiment with the opacity slider as well to ensure the shadow is not too distracting, but still provides that necessary separation from the background. Once you are happy with the look, your text will have that extra dimension that catches the eye. I hope this quick tutorial helps you level up your graphic design game today. Thank you so much for watching, and happy designing.